Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so trying something a little different. I've been having some issues, real issues here. Something. Streaming, I don't know, Streamlabs is not working. I can't make long videos for some reason. So let's try and make this quick. Let's see. So what I've done is we have our radar. We have our current position. And what I've done is eventually we're going to have a window where you'll say, I want to go to the sawmill, to the mine, wherever. It's going to give you the target degree, like where you need to go to, and it's going to tell you how far you got to go. And then this little compass is going to point in the direction of that object. So let's just show you an example of what we're working on here. So on the map, on this side, to the player's left, there's a part on the ground, and that is the part's position that we're currently using. So I thought making the map was cool. That's cool. But then I thought, how else can we help the player navigate a very large map? Well, one way we can do that is by making a compass and showing the player which direction they need to travel, you know, to get to where they need to get to. So let's see here. So that's the object there, right? So if I'm facing here, it's telling me I need to go 85 studs in that direction. And that's the object. Now, if I come down here, see, it's telling me I need to travel in that direction. So I just thought that was really cool. And then what it should do is yeah, just like that. So now what I did is I literally just went to Google and I got a little bit of code here. That was it, 4 lines of code. So how it works is when the player presses the screen button, it activates a remote event, which activates this code. What the code does is it gets the distance between us and the other object. Then it converts that distance into radians, and then it converts those radians into degrees. Alright? Then, on the interface, there's an actual section that's just called rotation. Now, I don't know, probably the frames have it, the buttons have it, a lot of stuff has it, and that allows you to rotate the button on the screen. So all we need to do is, once we know the rotation, we can then tell this to rotate whatever that is. So that's basically, that's that, right? See, we're rotating it. And that's what we're doing. And it's always going to rotate toward the object that we want to rotate it to. Yeah, so I just thought that was cool. Just a quick little video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Once I figure out how and why it's not making longer videos, it'll probably be a couple of days. I'll start putting out some longer videos. We are getting into the coding part of it, so this is one aspect of it. Now, I think I have player navigation pretty much down pat, and because this is going to work. So, for example, when you're in a taxi cab and you want to pick up a passenger, you're going to need to know where to go to get the passenger and how far, everything else. So all this is going to tie together somehow, some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. You guys are awesome.